Hi, my name's Terry, and in this video, I want to highlight why I have chosen VWRP for my ISA. And it's all to do with I've chosen three ETFs, and VWRP is one of the three, and it's a simple global ETF for long term investing. So, something I think solid and going to see me through the next 5, 10 years plus and give solid returns and give good growth to my overall portfolio. So, what is VWRP? It's the Vanguard FTSE All World UCITS ETF. Quite a mouthful, but basically what that does, it covers a global stock market. So it's an ETF that covers lots of stocks and shares globally rather than choosing just a few. So what you're doing is spreading your risk basically. You're choosing lots of different stocks and shares. So some will be going up, some will be going down, but overall performance over the term should be going up and obviously helping your portfolio to grow. So, as it says, thousands of companies, one simple investment with a real view at long-term growth focus. And that's what we're looking for. We're not looking for overnight success. We're looking for good, solid players that are going to steer us in the right direction and increase the growth of the portfolio overall. So, why I personally like it? Well, obviously, diversification, as we say, it's covering a lot of different stocks and shares. So, you're to say not putting all your eggs in one basket, which you want to be a little adventurous in some ways, but on the other hand, you want to protect yourself and make sure that your portfolio is going to be something that over time grows and grows, hopefully at the best possible rate that you can select. And I believe this is why these ETFs are really good. Yeah, long-term mindset and automatic reinvestment. So yeah, most of the ETFs, now I've got three, and not all three, but most of the ETFs reinvest the dividends automatically. So they don't pay you out a dividend, which you can then reinvest. The dividends are automatically reinvested. Either way, I reinvest my dividends, so it doesn't really matter. But just so you know, some automatically reinvest them themselves and some don't. So yeah, less stress than picking many stocks. So yeah, rather than trying to look for the next Nvidia and pick out one that might be great, which you never know, you might just do. But on the other hand, you might pick one that's not so good. This cuts all that stress out and does all the selecting and pruning of the stocks and shares to get the best overall results. So companies included in this particular ETF in VWRP. So we've got obviously some of the biggest, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, Google, and thousands more worldwide. And yes, it does cover the USA, Europe, UK, Japan, and pretty much all global markets. So, accumulating ETF, as I said earlier, the dividends are automatically reinvested. So there's no need for you to actually have to log in to your platform and look for dividends and then reinvest them. They're automatically reinvested, which helps compounding. So obviously that's what we're looking for, this magical compounding effect over time. No manual reinvesting and designed for the long-term growth. And with any oyster stocks and shares really, focus or our realization should be that we're looking for long-term growth. This isn't a short-term buy one day, sell the next day. This is buy buy more, and in my case, don't sell. Just let them keep building and building and building. Of course, this is my view only, and you'll have your own views, what you think is right for you. So, why it suits my ISA journey. I'm investing steadily, which is right. At the moment now, I'm looking to put any available funds I've got into my ISA. Not taking food off the kitchen table, obviously, but putting any available funds into my ISA to build it up. As I started just the end of February 2026, and I'm recording this in May 2026, we've just started. So this is something I'm doing, and is of importance to me to build it up and get it moving fairly rapidly. Yeah, it says building slowly over time. Well, yeah, of course you're building slowly over time because you're doing consistently invested. But as I say, as this is the beginning for me personally, I'm looking to put in money I can, but I'm going to continue putting money in over the period of time. And then it's all down to what funds I have available. So we're looking for long-term growth, regular investments, and letting those investments compound. And yeah, building for the long-term financial future, whether that's for yourself, for your loved ones, or for charities, wherever it is. This is, in my opinion, the best method to do that long-term financial future planning. So, just my final but one slide, and just saying this is my personal journey only. So, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I'm doing personally and what suits me. So, obviously, before you do any financial investing, obviously look to consult a financial advisor to give the ideal solutions for you personally. And it does just say there, which I think I've got on the next slide, if you've enjoyed the videos, please subscribe and follow along for more ISA updates. So I've really enjoyed making this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. This is just the start of many videos I'm going to be doing regards my ISA journey, the stocks and shares I've got in there, the dividends, how it's growing, etc. And I'm enjoying doing these, and I hope you're enjoying watching it. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next video. So thanks very much, and see you in the next video really soon.